Dream Baby's Ava Security Gate is a strong, versatile safety gate to suit doorways, hallways, and more. Measure the opening you need to secure. When you unpack your Dream Baby Ava Gate, you'll notice a gap at the opening. This is normal with pressure-mounted gates, and the gap will disappear when it's correctly installed. Insert the tension knobs into the holes of the 4 corners on the gate. For wider openings, extensions can be added. Simply remove the tension knobs from the gate, insert the extension pins, put on the extension, and insert the tension knobs. Measure the position for the fittings on the wall's surface. Fasten the mounting cups to the wall with double-sided adhesive tape. When using with stairs, the mounting cups must be screwed into place. Place the gate into position. Tighten the tension knobs by turning them clockwise at the same time. Start with the lower ones, then do the top until the latch is secure. Make sure the knobs stay equal distance from the wall on both sides. To open, slide the button and lift the door. The gate opens both ways, and it also has a Smart Stay Open feature, making it easy to walk through. Make sure the center lock is properly engaged. It is important to install your Dream Baby gate precisely to our instructions, which are included with every gate. It is vitally important to read through all the warnings, all the installation instructions, all the care and maintenance information before installing. And remember to keep those instructions in a safe place for future reference.